So repeat rounds 3 and 4 more times. That round 3 was the chain 1, and you started by working 2 back post double crochet stitches. And then your round 4, where you started off by working 2 double crochet stitches. So repeat those 2 rounds 4 more times, and then you're going to repeat your round 2, so where you start with those back post double crochet stitches, you're going to repeat that 1 more time. So this is for rounds 5 through to 10. Repeat rounds 3 and 4 more times, and then repeat your round 3 1 more time. At that point, you can meet me back here, and your waffle stitch texture will have grown a little bit. Meet me back here, and we're going to start the decrease for the hat. So now, once you have worked through to round 10, you're going to have a hat that looks like this. Your brim is down here. We have all this gorgeous waffle stitch texture, and we've ended on a round 3 up here at the top. You'll have joined with a slip stitch, and we're now going to start our decrease. So we're going to start the crown of our hat. For round 11, you're going to start by chaining 1, and we're going to double crochet 2 together. To double crochet 2 stitches together, you're going to start by yarning over, insert your hook into that first stitch, the same stitch as joining, yarn over, and draw up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2 of those loops. We then want to join this other stitch, so we're going to yarn over again, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. You now have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. That is your double crochet 2 together. This is our chain stitch here. After you've double crocheted 2 together, you're going to work a front post double crochet around the post of the next stitch. We're now going to repeat. Double crochet the next 2 stitches together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and draw up a loop. 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops left, yarn over, and pull through all 3. Your front post 2 together. Your double crochet 2 together. Front post double crochet around the next stitch, and then repeat. Double crochet 2 stitches together, and front post double crochet around the next stitch. You're going to repeat this all the way around, and then when you come to your first stitch, you'll join with a slip stitch into that first stitch. At the end of round 11, you're going to join with a slip stitch into the top of your first stitch. And this is what it will look like. For round 12, you're going to chain 1. We're now going to work a back post double crochet around the first stitch, and our first stitch is that double crochet 2 together. So we want to work our back post double crochet around the entire thing. So you're going to yarn over, bring your hook to the back of your work, insert your hook from the back through to the front around the whole post of that stitch, and out through the other side. Yarn over and draw up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So you've worked your back post double crochet around the post of that entire stitch.